Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video we are continuing the video word chart tutorial for the cross weave. We are on row 7. As this is an increasing row which is leading to a decreasing row, which means it's the last increasing row, we need to do our last set slightly differently because we need to prepare for adding the next row being a decreasing row. So you will begin the same way as you would for an increasing last set. You'll take the string coming in towards your previous row, and you'll add your 3 beads, which are all a color. This time you will let all 3 drop down, and then you will go through the top bead of your current row. So you want that top bead that your string is coming out of, and you want to go through it. You want to thread towards your previous row, and there you have on your last 3 beads for this row. Now you want to take that same string that's coming in towards your previous row, and you want to go down through the previous set of beads. So we want to go down and then out. So we're going down and then out. And then both of our strings are coming out of our piece on either side of the second side bead, and we're now going to cross the second side bead with both of our strings. You can start with either one. You enter with one, then you take the other one, you enter, there we have crossed that second side bead, and we are now ready to begin a decreasing row, and I hope to see you in the next video for that.